welcome to another episode. Today's gonna be a fun day. So in one of the last videos we started working on the exhaust for this car, getting a new catalytic converter installed and that kind of thing. And for this episode we're gonna be finishing off the exhaust. So we got some unboxing to do of some parts that I bought to finish the exhaust for the daily driver. So stay tuned. Very excited about this episode because I've never got to do an unboxing before, unboxing video. So, and I've never used these products. So after doing a lot of reviews, it seems like the route to go for this car, because I wanted to get something that was a little bit better performance wise than what the exhaust could do. And from what I was looking for and for the price that I was trying to keep it in, I think this is going to work out. So I'm really hoping it's going to sound really good and look good and everything else. So let's get to unboxing. Alright, so first thing we got here is the Vibrant Performance Ultra Quiet Resonator. So this is going to replace our stock resonator, obviously. Let's get that camera just so you can see what I'm doing. And this is stainless steel. I don't think it's steel, but anyway, ooh, this looks nice. Let's bubble wrap. Oh yeah, look at that. So it's got a straight through design. I'm pretty excited about this. So this is going to replace our stock resonator. And this is our muffler. We went with the Vibrant muffler too. I thought about MagnaFlow, but MagnaFlow just seemed like it was going to be a little louder than what I wanted it to be. So with this combo, with the quiet resonator and this particular muffler, it doesn't, just to fit the videos I watched, it seemed pretty quiet. So we're going to test out that theory on the Focus, because the Focus is our daily driver. I didn't want it to be loud. So alright, well, let's see. Oh, it's a box and a box. Go. So this is the universal. It's a universal muffler, obviously, but it's a street power, flat black, single tip. So I think it's going to look really good on the car. I'm just, oh yeah, just liking it already. I had to open it up. Get all this bubble wrap off. Yeah. Oh, I like it a lot. Look at this. I love the flat black look. That's going to be from the other side. So the rest of this stuff is just accessories that we're going to need to finish putting together, getting the exhaust put together. So let me open up everything here. Alright. So we're utilizing our old pipe, and the stock pipe on the car is 2-inch, and the inlets on the resonator and the muffler are 2.5. So I bought these couplers to be able to go from our 2-inch to 2.5 on the muffler and on the, see, so we'll just connect those two just like so, and then that'll go to our other one. Perfect. And we got 3 of those because you'll have 2 on either end of the resonator, and you got 1 that's going to go on the other side of the muffler. Alright, so let's continue with the biggest stuff. Well, what appears to be the biggest stuff. And here's just hardware. Nothing fancy. This is what I'm going to be using to actually bolt together from the exhaust to the resonator, and we're replacing the hardware. We're going on from the catalytic converter to the downpipe. So that is what that is. These things here, because Ford thought it was a good idea that where the exhaust pipe that goes over the back axle, to get the whole exhaust out, you got to cut off the tailpipe or the muffler to be able to get everything out. So I decided that I'm going to change that and weld these in. So on each side of the pipe that goes from the resonator to the muffler, in the middle of that, I'm going to be installing these 2 things to where that way we can clamp it together. Like so. Sorry, my neighbor's outside. So, like so, to where now, if we need to remove the exhaust for any reason, whatever, we can just unbolt the muffler. I don't have to cut anything off. See, sometimes I use my brain. Occasionally. Alright. Nothing fancy here, just gaskets. One's going to go in between those 2, and then we're going to put a new one between the catalytic converter and the downpipe. And last but not least, I'm just going to open up one of these because you don't need to see all 3 unless you just want to. I guess my video, I can do whatever I want. Oh, I'm such a funny guy. Not really. Okay. So we needed to get a couple of these exhaust hangers because obviously we're not going to be really using this end piece that's on here, so we'll be taking that off. Maybe. Or we might use it. I don't know yet. But I know we need one for the muffler for the back, and then there's another one that connects around the resonator to help hold the exhaust all in place. So I bought an extra one just in case we need it for some reason, but the stock exhaust only had 2, so we'll see. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. So I'm going to set this muffler up on the back of the car so we can just see what it's going to look like and see what you all think. Well, that's the best that I could do with it for now. I don't know if you can actually see it or not. Oh, there it is. But it's going to have to set it at an angle because of how where the pipe comes in from. Unless we can reroute it somehow. And also, for this to really work, let's get in here, show you. So this right here, we're gonna have to cut that out. So it's rubbing right on it, and there's just no way to make it fit and work with this area and this hook being here. So we're going to see about cutting that out and removing it.